Interestingly enough, our research shows that finding the right designer is often one of the biggest challenges that an entrepreneur can face. Our association, the Design Industry Advisory Committee, is made up of the 6 disciplines of design in the province of Ontario: the industrial designers, the graphic designers, architects, landscape architects, fashion designers, and interior designers. And a very good place to start when you're looking for a designer is with those organizations. They can direct you to qualified, accredited people who can really help.
Very often, entrepreneurs take a technology-centered approach to new product development, particularly in the very early stages, and it's important to transition to a user-oriented approach to connect with market needs and to increase the chances of commercialization success. Designers have the ability to think more deeply about user needs and about future needs that users have not considered as yet.
I think first and foremost, design presents the opportunity to add value by making products unique and compelling. It allows them to tell a story that resonates with users and allows them to connect with those products on a variety of different levels. Often products are very technically complicated and they're difficult to appreciate and fully understand until design makes those features and attributes tangible and appreciable by a consumer. On a more prosaic level, I think design presents real opportunities to simplify products, to lower their costs, to increase their margins. And these are factors that can be mutually beneficial to consumer and producer.
Very often, the product development process is seen as a linear process, with design being only one stage, and in fact a quite late stage in the product development process. We prefer to recommend the use of an integrated design process in which designers are involved in every step of the process. The stages in the integrated design process are opportunity, strategy, concept, development, implementation, and launch. The integrated design process is cyclical, and the launch of a new product inevitably leads to the next iteration in the process, because new product developers working closely with the strategic design process are always looking for ways to evaluate and improve the product based on feedback from users in the marketplace. The integrated design process involves integrating designers with other disciplines at each of these important stages. In a traditional linear process, designers are involved only in the concept and development stages. We recommend that designers be involved at the earliest possible opportunity, at the opportunity stage, when in fact the idea for innovation is first generated. The integrated design process is particularly important to developing sustainable products because it is at the very early stages that designers are able to source sustainable materials and think about end-of-life issues for the product. A company is never really finished thinking about product design. Every time a new product is launched in the marketplace is the time to collaborate very closely with designers to evaluate the feedback of users so that that product can be improved in the next iteration. We call this investing in the virtuous cycle of design. We recommend building strong relationships with designers over time. Investing in close relationships with designers, and not just in a specific design, is the way to create and sustain market success.